Have you ever felt a persistent bloating, a sluggish digestion, or that frustrating heavy feeling in your chest? These often subtle, yet incredibly common, discomforts can frequently be traced back to stagnant Qi, your body's vital life force. Today, we're going to demystify Qi and introduce you to four remarkable herbs that are masters at getting things moving again. If you're ready to say goodbye to digestive distress and hello to a feeling of lightness and flow, stay tuned. In traditional Chinese medicine, Qi is your vital life energy, flowing through specific pathways called meridians. When this Qi flows smoothly, you feel vibrant, energetic, and your body functions optimally. But when Qi gets stuck or stagnant, it can lead to a host of uncomfortable symptoms, particularly affecting your digestive and respiratory systems. Think of it like a traffic jam on your body's energetic highways. Nothing can get through. Symptoms of stagnant Qi can range from abdominal distension, bloating and belching, nausea and vomiting, poor appetite, or a feeling of fullness. After eating very little, a heavy pressured feeling in the chest or upper abdomen, coughing with profuse or sticky phlegm. Even emotional symptoms like irritability or a feeling of being stuck emotionally. The herbs we're discussing today are masters at regulating this Qi, helping to break up those energetic traffic jams, clear congestion, and restore harmony to your body. They are vital for enhancing digestion, soothing respiratory discomfort, and promoting an overall sense of ease. Now, let's unlock the secrets of four remarkable herbs that are celebrated in traditional Chinese medicine for their ability to regulate Qi and restore balance. First on our list is the unassuming but mighty tangerine peel, known in TCM as Chen Pai. This is simply the dried peel of ripe citrus fruits, mainly from China's Fujian, Guangdong, and Sichuan provinces. For centuries, Chinese doctors have revered it as a versatile remedy, a panacea for all sorts of ills, often calling it orange peel. It's a stomachic, a stimulant, an antispasmodic, and it's brilliant at dissipating phlegm. Traditionally, it was used for everything from digestive issues and respiratory distress in the elderly to even specific poisonings and mastitis. Today, Chen Pai remains a go-to for regulating Qi, stimulating digestion, and acting as a mild expectorant for a wide range of gastrointestinal and respiratory disorders. In terms of its TCM properties, tangerine peel has a pungent and bitter taste, and it's warm in nature. It specifically acts on the spleen and lung meridians, a perfect combination for both digestion and respiration. So how does Chen Pai work its magic? Its primary effect is to regulate Qi and normalize the functions of the spleen and stomach. For abdominal distension, belching, nausea, and vomiting, all classic signs of Qi stagnation, Chen Pai can be used alone or with other herbs like Aucklandia root and bitter orange. If weakness and fatigue are also present due to a deficiency in stomach and spleen Qi, it's often prescribed with Qi-invigorating herbs like Codonopsis and white atractylodes, as in the formula Yigong San. Beyond digestion, Chen Pai is a master at eliminating dampness and resolving phlegm. For that heavy, pressured feeling in the chest, poor appetite, loose stools, and a thick, greasy tongue coating, signs of dampness retention, it's often blended with atractylodes rhizome and magnolia bark in the renowned formula Ping Wei San. For phlegm accumulation in the lungs, leading to coughing and profuse sputum, Chen Pai is mixed with Pinellia tuber and poria, as in the classic Chen Tang. Other notable uses include helping with alcoholic intoxication and even acute mastitis caused by excessive lactation. The typical dosage for Chen Pai is 3 to 9 grams in a decoction. A crucial precaution, because it's pungent and warm, it should not be given to those with excess interior heat, yin deficiency, blood spitting, or a dry cough. Classical texts report no side effects at therapeutic doses, and modern toxicological tests confirm its safety at recommended levels. Modern research reveals that tangerine peel is rich in essential oils like D-limonene and citrol, along with powerful flavonoids such as hesperidin and nobaltin, and vitamins B, C, and P. Pharmacological findings confirm its ability to stimulate the gastrointestinal tract, increase gastric juice secretion, and eliminate accumulated gas. Its volatile oil is both an antitussive, cough suppressant, and a mild expectorant. Research also shows it has anti-asthmatic activity. Furthermore, Chen pai can increase blood pressure and stimulate heart activity, though large doses can be inhibitory, and it significantly decreases the fragility of blood vessels. It's also an anti-inflammatory agent, reducing edema, and has antibacterial properties. Truly a marvel for comprehensive internal comfort. Next, we explore immature bitter orange, known as zhai shi. This herb is the dried, unripe, and naturally bitter fruit of Citrus aurantium or its sweet variety. It's grown in provinces like Sichuan and Zhejiang, harvested in early summer and then dried. Traditionally, this unripe fruit was known for its cooling, food stagnation removing, and carminative properties, used as a stomachic and for coughs. Today, it remains a powerful carminative and chi-regulating stomachic herb. It's important to note that the ripe bitter orange, zhai cairo, has similar but less potent effects. Zhai shi has a bitter and pungent taste and is cold in nature. It primarily acts on the spleen, stomach, and large intestine meridians, perfectly targeting the digestive core. Its main function is to relieve stagnation of chi and food. For severe abdominal distension and pain, constipation, or foul-smelling stools, zhai shi is often combined with hawthorn fruit, germinated barley, and medicated leaven. It's also a key ingredient in powerful formulas like de cheng, kai tang for constipation and abdominal pain due to heat accumulation in the bowels. Zhai shi also excels at reducing phlegm and removing feelings of stiffness and fullness in the chest and upper abdomen. For chest pain and shortness of breath due to chi obstruction by phlegm, it's combined with macrostem onion and cinnamon twig. It's even used for organ prolapse like gastroptosis, gastric dilation, and prolapse of the rectum or uterus, often mixed with astragalus root and cimicifuga, or with white atractylodes in formulas like zhai zhu 1. The typical dosage is 3 to 10 grams in a decoction. Precautions are important. People with hypofunction of the spleen and stomach and pregnant women should use this herb with caution or avoid it. Classical texts report no side effects, and modern toxicological tests show low toxicity, though intravenous administration in animals can impact blood pressure. Modern research highlights essential oils, bitter principles, flavones like hesperidin and tangeretin, and alkaloids like cyanophrine in immature bitter orange. Pharmacological studies show fascinating, sometimes seemingly contradictory, effects on the gastrointestinal tract. While it can inhibit intestinal movement in mice, it stimulates contraction rhythm in conscious dogs, indicating its role in regulating gastrointestinal movement. It also significantly increases blood pressure and enhances cardiac contractibility and output, similar to norepinephrine. Furthermore, zhai shi can increase urine output, possibly by inhibiting renal reabsorption. Its flavonoid content also provides antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal benefits, and stimulates uterine and alimentary tract muscles. Next, we delve into Cyperus tuber, known as xiang fu. This dried rhizome of Cyperus rotundus is found throughout China and other parts of the world. It's harvested in autumn and then dried, often stir-baked with vinegar. Traditionally, Cyperus tuber was considered a stimulant, tonic, sedative, and astringent, used for a wide array of ailments including colds, postpartum issues, and even certain cancers. Today, it's highly valued as a carminative, antispasmodic, antidepressant, and anodyne, pain reliever for issues like PMS, chest and abdominal distension, and ulcers. Cyperus has a unique taste profile: pungent, slightly bitter, and slightly sweet, and it's neutral in temperature. It acts on the liver and Sanjiao meridians, making it perfect for regulating chi throughout the body, especially in the liver, which is closely linked to emotional regulation. Its primary role is to regulate chi and soothe the liver. For distension and pain in the chest, hypochondria sides of the ribs, and abdomen due to stagnant liver chi, Cyperus tuber is a key ingredient in formulas like chai hu shu gan san, combined with bupleurum and bitter orange. It can also be used for breast distension and pain. For stomach pains caused by Kai stagnation and cold, it's blended with ginger root, as in Liang Fu Wan. Beyond pain relief, cypress is famous for regulating menstruation and relieving menstrual pain, dysmenorrhea, often mixed with Chinese melia, Chinese angelica root, and corydalus. Crucially, it's a powerful ally for relieving stagnation and depression, helping with feelings of helplessness, sadness, anxiety, and chest stagnation, often found in formulas like Liu Yutang. The typical dosage is 6 to 12 grams in a decoction. Precautions: if you suffer from Kai and blood deficiency or yin deficiency, use this herb with caution. Classical texts report no side effects or toxicity. Modern research shows cypress tuber contains essential oils, with major components like alpha and beta-cyperone. It also contains triterpenes, alkaloids, and flavones. Pharmacological findings demonstrate that cypress tuber increases the secretion of saliva and gastric juice, boosts stomach peristalsis, and improves the elimination of accumulated gas in the GI tract. Fascinatingly, it can inhibit uterine contraction and relieve spasms, and its volatile oil even exhibits estrogenic female hormone-like action. The alcohol extract is confirmed to be anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, sedative, and analgesic, and it decreases tension in colon muscles. It also possesses antimicrobial properties. Fourth, let's explore Aucklandia root, also known as Socheria or Muxiang. This dried root is mainly grown in China's Sichuan and Yunnan provinces, as well as Burma and India. Traditionally, it was used for incense or even to protect clothes from moths. More medically, it was considered carminative, stimulative, antiseptic, and a sedative. Today, Aucklandia root is a powerful carminative, gas reliever, Kai-regulating stomachic, and an anodyne pain reliever for stomach and chest distension with pain. It's also used to treat anorexia and indigestion. Aucklandia root has a pungent and bitter taste and is warm in nature. It acts on the spleen, stomach, large intestine, and gallbladder meridians, making it a wide-ranging digestive regulator. Its core function is to regulate the flow of Kai, normalize the functions of the spleen and stomach, and relieve abdominal pain. For abdominal distension with pain, poor appetite, gurgling in the bowels, diarrhea, and dysentery, Aucklandia root is blended with bitter orange, corydalus, and Sichuan chinaberry. It's also a key ingredient in formulas like Muxiang, Bing Lang Wan for abdominal retention due to undigested food and constipation. For distending pain in the hypochondriac region sides of the ribs, bitter taste in the mouth, and a yellow tongue coating, signs of damp heat stagnation, it's mixed with bupleurum root and curcuma root. For general stagnation of stomach and spleen Kai, indigestion, and chronic digestive issues, it's combined with orange peel, bitter orange, and other herbs in formulas like Muxiang Shun Kai Wan. It also effectively regulates the functions of the middle jiao, making it invaluable for epigastric distension, nausea, vomiting, and chronic diarrhea, often combined with Codonopsis, white atractylodes, and poria in Xiang Sha Liu Jun Zai Tang. The typical dosage for Aucklandia root is 3 to 10 grams in a decoction. Precautions: if you have anemia, are dehydrated, or are yin deficient, use this herb with caution. Classical texts report no side effects or toxicity. Modern research confirms that Aucklandia root contains essential oils with components like aplotoxine and costus lactone. Pharmacological findings show it stimulates peristalsis and large intestinal muscles, effectively relieving stagnation and gas accumulation in the GI tract. Interestingly, it has also been shown to be excitatory on the heart and to lower blood pressure in anesthetized dogs. It also possesses antimicrobial properties against various bacteria and fungi, and notably promotes bronchial dilation, making it useful for treating asthma. And there you have it, a powerful look at 4 incredible herbs: tangerine peel, immature bitter orange, cypress tuber, and Aucklandia root. Each one a testament to the profound understanding of Kai regulation in traditional Chinese medicine. From sweeping away digestive stagnation and soothing respiratory discomfort to lifting your spirits and restoring internal harmony, these plants offer vital, natural pathways to feeling your best. If this deep dive has resonated with you, if it's sparked a new understanding of your body's energy and potential paths to comfort, please hit that like button. Your support empowers us to share more of this vital knowledge. Don't forget to share this video with friends, family, anyone who might benefit from these incredible natural solutions. And most importantly, subscribe to join our growing community as we continue to unlock the profound wisdom of traditional medicine. Thank you for being here, for being open to learning, and for investing in your health journey. Until next time, stay balanced, stay vital, and keep your Kai flowing freely.